everyone, welcome to Homeschooling V and Z, and for this video we're going to make an unboxing video of this mysterious is this mystery box that came from the Super Toy Store.
I know you.
So let's get started.
Okay, let's open. Oh, wait lang.
There's a message for Mama.
Dear Cat. Okay, I'll read it out loud. Zoe, wait lang. Dear Cat, enjoy these homeschool materials. You are a blessing to the homeschool community.
Aww.
And to other moms. Cheers, Christine.
Thank you so much, Christine, and the Super Toy Store. So there's a note from the Super Toy Store. That's www.supertoystore.com. I'll also leave the link sa description box. Okay, so what's inside, Kuya? Show us the first box.
Ooh, bone assembly.
Show it.
Ooh, big.
Okay, what's that? That's a hands-on lab bone assembly. Okay, that's good for kids ages 6 and above. It's a science learning kit. Wow. Okay.
Oh, and another one.
Also, we have 3. So we have 3 boxes for bone assembly.
Actually, we have 4.
We have 4. Whoa.
I found something.
So we have 4 of these. We have 4 bone assembly hands-on learning kits. And then what do we have here? Show this, Zoe. Show.
This is a pang-a.
Pang what?
Pang-a. It's a word.
Pang apple. It's a
Word find.
word find. Okay. Is it a word find?
Yes.
Okay, so let's check. It's a literacy game, spelling game as well that you can use. Okay, so I think we have something like this before, but a different brand. This is a very nice toy for kids, especially those who are learning how to read and for those who are learning how to spell. Okay, so let's see. What else do we have here?
We have a
I'll
clock.
get it.
It's a clock.
It's a clock. Oh, open it.
Let's open, Zoe. And it's this. It has a magnet.
It has magnets. Oh, let's see.
It's 1
Show it here.
hour. Actually, it's gonna be 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock. Okay.
let's show the others.
Wait lang, Zoe. Let's open this, Kuya.
Okay.
What's inside? Let's show
It
what's
must be
inside.
pencils. Nope. Something else.
Oh, there are counters. Okay, there are stick
and
counters. And
numbers.
Oh. So you can use that.
And it's counters.
What are those? So coins. So those are counters. So we can use those counters for math as
Yes,
manipulatives. Okay, so we have
Multiplication.
lot of counters.
12 times
These
2 equals 24. So it's
wooden counters. And the last one, what's that?
It's for science.
For science. Show it here. Put it here. Para makita natin kung ano yan.
Okay, I think
Slowly, baka may mahulog, ha?
I think we're just gonna make a robot or something else like a
Oh, it's like a robot kit.
Yes, but I can't very open it right
Okay,
now. I
sige.
just have to.
Let's just
rip
take a sneak peek inside. There. Let's take a peek.
It's have a
So what's inside? So, it's a robot kit. So, may mga wires and may mga different items inside that they can use. There. So, these are wonderful learning materials from Super Toy Store. Are you excited to use them?
Yes.
You're excited?
I'm gonna use that.
You're gonna use it. Okay. So, thank you to Super Toy Store. You thank them.
Thank you, Super Toy Store.
Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you again in our next video. Bye-bye!